Welcome back to Activity 55B. In this next video, we are going to be making the connector piece. In this one, we're going to make the connector piece without the long rectangular cut. And we are going to be doing so by mirroring across the vertical axes and the horizontal axes. Again, we're going to start with our standard IPT. We're going to choose our sketch plane. And I'm going to start this by just drawing a few rectangles. So now that I have my rough shape, I'm going to dimension this into place. So I'm going to start with my horizontal dimension, 1.15. Then, next one, 0.3. Now if you miss the space, you want to be careful to get that before getting some of the other dimensions so that you will have the correct spacing. Now I'm going to get my heights. Be careful to select the lines and not the endpoints, as that can actually make a difference. So now that I have my rough outline, I'm going to go ahead and fillet. Now you'll notice there are different fillet radiuses, so I want to be careful which one I'm selecting. And right here I came into a little issue because that's not done, so I'm going to trim those areas. So I selected my trim and I just clicked and dragged to get those two gone, and now I'm going to finish up my fillets of those two, that corner right there, and that is my basic shape. Next, I want to mirror, and I'm going to select those features, and I'm going to select my mirror line and go ahead and apply. I'm going to delete my middle line there. Now that I have my my horizontal features, I'm going to mirror this again. In this case, I'm going to mirror it over the horizontal line. And I'm going to get rid of my horizontal lines there. One way to do this also is you can use the construction lines. That way, when the sketch is done, you don't have to worry about deleting the lines then. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to extrude it. If it doesn't allow you to extrude, then chances are you don't have a closed sketch. This is actually fairly common with this particular piece, and one of the things you want to do is make sure you don't have any commands that are active, and you're going to right click and select Sketch Doctor. want to diagnose the sketch, click OK, and you're going to look for the open loops. Select the biggest one first, go Next, Next, select Closed Loop, and then Finish. It's going to ask you to select the curve that is at the start/end of the open loop. So you want to pay attention to what is highlighted in different colors. So you want to select, in my case, the continuous loop is in red and the broken part is in green. So after I hit OK, I'm going to select this area right here that highlighted, and I'm going to select yes. If nothing comes up, click OK. If an error comes up, click cancel and then right click and OK. To get the OK, either way you have to right click. I'm going to run Sketch Doctor again. And you notice right here there's a little green dot. So I'm going to run Sketch Doctor and close the loop. It's going to ask me to combine the points. I'm going to hit yes. Chances are error is going to pop up saying that it cannot combine them. If that's the case, when that comes up, I'm just going to go ahead and click cancel and try to extrude. As you can see, in this case we didn't get the error, it just took a little while longer, and our loop was successfully closed. So now we want to extrude, and I'm going to extrude it around 0.42 inches, which was the dimension that I got from measuring the front part of that connector. Another tip that you might want to also do on the sketches, if the Sketch Doctor keeps giving you an error, these vertical lines in the square part of the connector, you can delete those lines and redraw them, and that normally fixes the problem as well. Good luck. See you on the next video.